1983, and there's John in his Cub Scout uniform. I don't know if he was saluting or what that was, but there's David and Diane, and this is in the kitchen, and that's Joanne, my first wife, and Maggie and Cassie's mom. 1983. So we weren't married yet. It was a couple years after we met. And there's my mom. It's her birthday. I think she was like maybe 44 there. That's crazy, huh? There's Sarah. Yep, Sarah just starting to walk, 1983. And I think she's walking to Joanne? No? Oh, Lisa. Yeah, Lisa. And there's Shannon and John right there. Okay, yeah, I'm recognizing them now. And back in the corner, that's my mom, Diane. Yep, and there's Joanne and me. Yep, me and Joanne. And now, I think this is Two Rivers. There's my mom and John. We're all fishing. That's me right there. That's John. Gonna cast it out there. Yep, that's Joanne. Yep. That's me sitting in the chair. Joanne sitting in that stool-like chair. John right there. We're all fishing. Even Lisa fishing. There's my mom. She's not fishing. But I remember bringing her trout home, and she would clean the trout and cook them. Or I would gut them, actually. They would be clean. Oh, but there we go. Lisa caught a fish. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. John's got a couple good ones. Wow. Quite the haul right there. That's me handling one of them. I got quite the hairdo there. 1983. There's Joanne. And this must be the little store. Two Rivers. Boy, my mom got some food, didn't she? Jeez. Phone booth. There we go, getting in the car. Got the whole family some food, it looks like. And there I am, way over there. John. Lisa. About to give Mom a hug right there, I think, yeah? Yeah, gonna give Mom a hug. John casting. Yeah, must have been a good day. That's it.